The moment you have all been waiting for is finally here. The culmination of years of hard work, perseverance, and extensive testing has resulted in the most highly anticipated iteration of one of the most hotly sought after scooters on the market. The Apollo Phantom V3 upgrade has arrived. Bigger and better than ever before, the V3 upgrade kit unleashes your scooter to its fullest potential. The new Mach 1 controller is the first of its kind in the market and offers unparalleled Ludo performance. That stands for ludicrous speed if you weren't aware. As well as Bluetooth connectivity, Regen capabilities, and a sine wave signal that renders the scooter so quiet it's virtually inaudible, living up to the Phantom name. Thanks to the Bluetooth connectivity, you'll be able to adjust all your scooter settings within the Apollo app now, including the torque curve. Change your settings to either a slower or sharper curve so you can have greater control and precision over your acceleration and speed with no more jerky response. Accelerate when you want to at your own speed and not when you least expect it. Not only does the new controller unlock higher top speeds, but it's also more efficient. Smoother throttle response times mean you can cruise with comfort even at lower speeds. So I guess Ludo doesn't just stand for ludicrous speed, but ludicrously smooth. And with the new Ergonomic Regen brake throttle delivering a smoother braking experience, mechanical brakes may end up being a thing of the past. It is important to point out though, as with all performance vehicles, overheating is something to be aware of. Thankfully, with the new Bluetooth capabilities, your controller will now give you a heads up via the app if it starts to overheat and will automatically reduce performance until the controller returns to normal temperature levels. This will allow you to better manage your riding style and avoid your scooter shutting down during long hill climbs or heavy regen usage. This will only apply to the upgrade kit though, as we have made certain improvements to the upcoming production model that will allow for additional cooling while riding. Smoother acceleration, smoother braking, and a smoother screen. Also included in the V3 upgrade kit is a streamlined, rounded screen with an even higher refresh rate than before, meaning your speedometer can keep up with your riding. Like with the previous V2 upgrades, your V3 upgrade kit will be all plug and play for easy installation, connecting your display, ergonomic throttles, and controller in less than an hour. The installation does require a little bit of work though, so please refer to our installation video to see what's involved and judge if you can do this yourself. Or if you want, you can also send it to one of our repair centers. The Phantom V3 upgrade kit will be available soon at apolloscooters.co and .ca, so be sure to like and subscribe, and sign up for our email list so you don't miss any announcements. Thanks again for watching guys, and ride safe.